Transparent lead film display. It is a thin and light transparent material that can be freely deformed so that it can. Construction is possible.
System configuration is PC and main controller, RX. It consists of TLM. Video signals are transmitted in the RS-422 method.
The attachment method is as follows, and it is manufactured so that anyone can easily attach it. Area expansion can be expanded as desired both horizontally and vertically. The product is composed of 3 models according to the pitch. Solifarm's transparent lead film display will make your space more valuable.